Hi everyone, welcome to this online session on exam preparation brought to you by Wingspan, the Center for Learning and Writing Support here at KU. Whether you're gearing up for your first set of exams or you are a seasoned student looking to sharpen your skills, this session will walk you through practical, research-backed strategies to help you prepare effectively and confidently. Before we dive in, I want to remind you about the academic support services available to you. Writing consultations are available for all students, undergraduate, graduate, and multilingual, at any stage of the writing process. Tutoring covers a variety of courses. Supplemental instruction offers collaborative study sessions facilitated by peers. And peer academic coaching service, which helps you build time management and academic strategies. Visit us in room 424 Ernst Hughes Library or at learningandwriting.ku.edu. In this session, we will delve into how to identify the scope of information to study, how to create a focused plan, confirm logistics, and take care of your well-being, all of which contribute to your success. Let's start with the big picture. According to a study by Barberic and Ippolito, time spent studying does affect performance, but only to a point. What is more important is how you spend that time. We want you to work smarter, not just longer. The first step in preparing for any exam is understanding what you need to study. Start by identifying the full scope of what may be on the exam. Use your syllabus, any study guides, and notes from past students if available. Don't guess. If you're unsure about any topics, reach out to your instructor or TA to confirm. Being clear about what to study sets the foundation for an effective study plan. In order to be effective, it is important to decide what specific actions or strategies you will use to utilize study time effectively. We've put up some of the good examples of how to have specific goals. For example, you can be specific on how you want to do your homeworks, like redo homeworks chapter 1 to 4, and then maybe read chapter 16 notes and write down questions, reference textbook for answers, and rewrite in my own words. So you need to be specific and not just to have general goals, like you can see on the other side of the screen where we have examples like study first 4 topics. Being specific helps you to be more effective and to manage your time even better. Now that you know what and how to study, plan when to do it. Create a realistic timeline. If you're studying chapters 16 to 19, maybe do 1 chapter per day, then review it. Don't worry if life disrupts your plan. Just adjust. Use flexible tools like PowerPoint, Canva, or dry erase board to help you move things around easily. If you don't have designated times each day for studying, consider adding specific times or estimated times in your study plan. Here is a sample study plan. Notice how the topics are broken into small chunks and spread across days, with buffer time included. Using color codes or prioritizing tasks visually can make your plan easier to follow and stick to. Logistics matter. Make sure you know the exact date and time of your exam. Double check your syllabus, Canva, and instructor announcements. Also confirm the exam location. If it is in an unfamiliar room, try to visit beforehand. This familiarity can help reduce anxiety on the day of the exam. It is also important to confirm what materials are allowed in the exam room. If calculators are needed, check what types are permitted. If blue books are required, confirm which kind and what writing utensils are accepted. If you're allowed notes or a sheet, follow the instructor's specifications exactly. Avoid surprises on exam day. Let's talk about test anxiety, something many students face. Stress can affect your ability to focus and recall information. Luckily, there are practical strategies to manage stress so you can perform at your best. Self-care is important. Take care of your body and mind. Eat well. Your brain needs energy. Move your body to reduce stress. Most importantly, sleep enough in the days leading up to your exam. And start preparing early. Confidence grows when you know you are ready. Other helpful strategies include breathing exercises, which calm your nerves and improve focus. Visualize a positive outcome. Picture yourself calmly answering questions and succeeding. Take regular breaks while studying and talk to friends, family, or counselors if you need support. And remember, our office and many campus resources are here to help. Let's wrap up with a recap. First, identify what's on the exam. Then create a study plan with strategies and timelines. Confirm the logistics, date, location, and materials. And finally, take care of your mental and physical well-being. We believe in your success. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out by email or stop by room 424 in Anstu's library here at KU. Our phone number is also on the screen, and you can also reach out to us through learningandwriting.ku.edu. If you have a minute, we would love to hear your feedback. We're always updating our materials and creating new ones, so we want to know what worked for you in this session and what did not. Please use this QR code and let us know what you think. At the Wingspan, we have consultations available Monday through Friday and occasional Sunday hours for any of our services. Please feel free to reach out to us through writing@ku.edu or learning@ku.edu, or visit us in person at the Anstu's Library, room 424 here at KU.